Hello, greetings Physics 100 online students. This is the tutorial for eLab 4. We're going to show you how to use your smartphone as a pendulum. So the first thing you need to do is download an app that records the accelerometer data from your smartphone. So the app that I'm using is called SensorLog by Burn Thomas, and it's a free app available on the App Store for iOS 7 devices or higher. So you should get that. If you don't have an iPhone, you can use an Android phone as well. Just go to your Google Play Store and download an app that records the accelerometer data from your iPhone. So it's downloaded, so we'll open it up. And we need to do a couple of settings. First of all, it's going to ask you for access to your sensors on your phone, so allow it access. And then this play button will actually let you record data. This folder button will let you look at your data files once they've been acquired, and this cog is the settings. So let's go into configuration and set this thing up. You need to log data to the file. The CSV field setup header you can leave as is. The recording rate you should change to 10. So what this will do is that it'll acquire data once or 10 times per second. So that's probably sufficient for the experiment that we're doing. So your phone has a whole bunch of sensors, including a magnetometer, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, etc., etc. We're going to turn all of those off. The only one we need today is called the ACC, and it's on here, and I'm going to turn everything off. So once you have all the sensors turned off and the recording rate set to around 10 hertz, you can get started. So click done, and then you'll be taken to, then you tap this ACC page, and you'll be taken to this screen which shows you a graph as it records data. So it's always recording data, but if you want to log the data, you have to click this play button in order for it to start recording data so that you can send it to yourself. So it records the acceleration in the X direction, the Y direction, and the Z direction. You will only actually need one of these three directions, and we'll record some data so you can figure out which of these three directions you need. To record data, just click the plus button, and then you can move your phone around, and then you'll see that it records the data. Once you're finished, hit the pause button, and then in order to send it to yourself, click the folder, select the file, and then it'll send it to your email. Okay, it's a CSV file, and then you just send it, and then it's good to go. Perfect. So that's it. So that's basically what you need to set up your app. The next video will show you how to actually set up your experimental apparatus in order to use your iPhone to record data. All right, good luck.